Hello, everyone. Are you wondering what is an average salary of a construction worker in Israel? Let's explore. Construction work in Israel provides steady employment, especially in expanding urban areas. The average annual gross salary is around $36,000 or about $3,000 per month. After taxes, the income is about $28,000 per year, which is close to $2,300 monthly. Where you work makes a difference. In cities like Tel Aviv or Jerusalem, wages are higher, while in smaller cities or rural regions, workers tend to earn less. Newcomers might make around $24,000 annually, while experienced workers can earn more than $40,000. In most cases, having a university degree is not required, but those with one may move into higher-paying roles like construction management, while those without it usually stay in lower-paid labor positions. Please like the video and share your salary in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.